guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany, and for today's video, I am going to be planning in my Go Get a Girl catch-all, and I'm going to use both of these sticker sheets from Martinez Sticker Company, along with my script washi, my plain washi, and my Zig Clean color dot. So let's go ahead and take the pages off. That way we can get started. So yeah, I haven't filled this out because I am actually filming back to back, and unfortunately it is only because my daughter is sick and she is sleeping more than she usually does because she doesn't feel well. So yeah, that is the only reason why. So it's kind of sad, but yeah, here we are. Hopefully she feels better. But I chose to grab these sticker sheets because I was just needing something like bright and fun, and I thought that these flowers and butterflies were perfect. And then I also grabbed this quote sticker sheet, and it just goes so well with this theme. So it says, grow through what you go through. Growth is uncomfortable because you've never been here before. Every flower must grow through dirt. It's okay to outgrow those who prevent you from growing. So I love these, and I thought that they would be perfect. And so I went ahead and laid my washi tape down. And remember that Martinez Sticker Company has a release today, March 8th at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is their Botanical Gardens collection, and you don't want to miss this. Everything is just so beautiful. And remember that you guys can use my code to save some money and to receive my freebie as well. So all of the shops will be linked down in the description box below. So yeah, make sure that you guys check them out today. Their new release is super pretty. So then let's go ahead and just get started. So I think that I want to start with the quotes. That way I lay them down over here. And I feel like I haven't done this in so long. So let's see. Grow through what you go through. I think this one is perfect. So I think I want to start here. And then we've been having such gloomy weather as well. So yeah, I was just needing something super bright and fun because it is so gloomy and just cold. And I'm just so ready for spring to be here. Growth is uncomfortable because you've never been here before. Every flower must grow through dirt. It's okay to outgrow those who prevent you from growing. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Okay. So yeah, just in the middle. Perfect. And I've already said this before, but I am obsessed with Martinez Sticker Company's quotes because they are just so powerful. And yeah, they're just the best. Trust me. I've used them so many times before, and as soon as I saw this sticker sheet, I'm like, I know I need some quotes, so let me just go ahead and grab those. So let's see. I love the mixture between like the black and white flowers, and then we have actual color as well. So let's see. I think I want to do a mixture. So let's grab the black and white, and then let's grab this one, and then maybe we can layer them, maybe something like this. Okay, and I think I do want to do it like over here. Okay, so maybe right here though. So maybe that one could go there, and then this one could go here. Okay, so depending on what I have left over, I think I'll come back. But for now, I think that's what I want to do. Okay, so let's see, because I'm debating on the butterflies. I think I want the butterflies down here paired with the script washi. So I think I want to do this next. That way I can see if my vision is even going to like work. Sometimes I think of something and then I won't know until I'm actually here filming. So that was just a thought. So hopefully it does, because I think that would be really cute. So I like to tear my washi on top and the bottom. And now that I think about it, yesterday's plan with me, I also used this script washi, and I don't think I did this to the top or the bottom. So yikes, because I love doing that. I think it just looks better. So I am thinking about doing this and then using the butterfly. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. Does that not look so pretty? Okay, so yeah, that looks really, really pretty. Let's see. I think I have some, just a little bit hanging off of the page. So I want to get that done before I just completely forget and space out. Okay, beautiful. So, of course, now you guys know that I want to do the same thing over here on the right-hand page for Thursday. And I've been having so much fun, like decorating 2 pages with the same theme or the same stickers. It has been so much fun, and I'm really, really enjoying it. Okay, so there's that. And now, let's use the yellow one, because I'm hoping to use maybe the blue ones up here. I just feel like there's just a lot of yellow going on, and I think that would look best. Okay, perfect. Oh my gosh, this is turning out so cute, and I'm glad this ended up working out. Okay, so now that we have that done, I feel like I can just keep adding. So let's see, as far as the butterflies go, maybe I can place one right here. Beautiful. And then, let's see. Okay, so maybe, so I have the pink one here, so I can't use the pink one. And then I did put that blue one on Thursday, so let's go ahead and use the blue one on Wednesday, and then maybe we can pair it with like this flower, which has the stem. And then maybe we can do, I was thinking of layering it, but maybe I don't know. Okay, so maybe something like that. Okay, so as far as this side, I feel like we need flowers, right? So I'm gonna use, I think I used 2 big ones here, so I want to use 2 different sizes. So let's use the bigger white one and then a smaller yellow one. Okay, so maybe there, and then maybe there. Okay. And so, okay, so we said we have the pink one over here. Let's see what we can do about this pink butterfly. I am loving all of these butterflies. They just look so cute. I'm kind of thinking that I want to do it here. Unless I do it here. Okay, yeah. I think I'm going to do it here and then do some flowers over here. And so, let's see. Okay, so I want to use this white one over here since the washi tape is yellow. And then Okay, so I love that this one is angled like this, so I can place it here. And oh, look, we still have that yellow butterfly. I did not even notice it. Okay, good. And then maybe this one kind of paired like that. And then now we have to figure out where to place this yellow butterfly. Okay. So actually, maybe this one could go here, right? Okay, beautiful. And then, okay. So I'm loving this one with the stem. Did I want to do the same thing over here, or maybe kind of do this? So if I scoot this one over here, maybe I can cross them like that. Unless I want to do the same thing over here. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm just going to do it here. And then pair it with the yellow one right there. And then let's see. Maybe kind of have this right here. Okay. And maybe have the white one like down here. Okay, let's see. Let's see how it looks once it's trimmed off. Okay, yeah. So that looks really good, actually. So I think that now I want to pick up the butterfly and kind of tuck the flower behind it just a little bit. That way we fill up this area. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Oh, and we even have the halves. That is even better. Okay, so I want to pick that one up. And we have a little bit from the butterfly itself. Let's see. Okay. So then maybe I can place this here. Oh yeah, that looks good. And maybe I can layer these two together over here. So like that, and then this one could sit right here on this line. Okay, yeah, that looks good. Okay, so we only have this white one left over. Let's see what we can do with it. And I just noticed that I am like completely done with the spread, and I still haven't added my script stickers. And I usually add them just so I can see how it looks like put together. But I actually didn't even have to do that. I feel like I am loving this right here. Like if I layer it. Okay. I am going to try it. And I love that their stickers are removable. So whenever you guys place an order, make sure you guys choose that option. Removable one, because it definitely comes in handy, right? Look at this. Okay, so yeah, that looks really, really good. So I am going to add my water intake, which I already said that I am not doing the best on, and do not get me started on my workouts. Those have been non-existent for a while now, and it kind of makes me sad because I was definitely on a roll, and yeah, I'm not so much on a roll now. Maybe I'll start rolling, but I am not in a roll. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be adding my workouts until I start them back up again. Because even though like I've been adding them and I have good intentions, I am just not getting it done. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna leave them alone. And now I just want to add my script stickers. Okay, so here they are. Let's start with water intake. Down here and then down here. Okay, so yeah, workout I am not gonna add. Hopefully I get back on track with that. And then we have our build to here. Okay, so yeah, oh my gosh, that is everything. Okay, good. So let's go ahead and add it back on the planner. Oh, I'm obsessed with this spread. I think it looks so cute. So yeah, I have a plan with me, so I'll go ahead and link it down below in case you guys are interested in watching this one. And then here is this one for Wednesday and Thursday. I think it looks so vibrant, so happy. I love the yellow. I'm not usually a yellow person, but I just needed it. I needed just something bright and fun, and I think this really did it. So I'm super happy with the way that it turned out. I am gonna just really quick go ahead and add my script stickers back here because I have been struggling with my script stickers. They're kind of all over the place. So there we go. Now I know that they're there and they're not gonna get lost among all of this chaos going on. So I love the way that this turned out. Make sure that you guys check out Martinez Sticker Company and their new release of Botanical Gardens collection at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't forget to use my code so you guys can save a little bit of money and so you guys can receive my super cute freebie. But for now, I am really loving the way that this turned out. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.